Oh, really?
It's Slushes.
Birds, episode 1.
Birds.
Let's take a good look at the birds.
Birds. Nesting in my hair.
The birds.
So what? So what?
Nesting in my hair.
So what?
I need money for
I
that.
just want this one too.
No money for that.
How much were you putting your elbow?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're not recording.
I need money to buy birds.
No, no more.
The birds.
Crap.
Let's get it going.
Birds.
Why are we doing that?
Birds.
Wow.
What are you doing? What are you
I'm
doing?
waiting for it to fall down, you ding dong.
Yeah, we should. Can I try it?
It's erupting. It's erupting. The birds. The birds. The birds are nestling in the ice.
Why is this called the birds?
Birds.
Get this one.
Go like this. It'll.
The air will come out through there.
Yeah. Same.
Ooh, Lily's gonna be a scientist when he grows up.
It looks like shit. It looks so bad.
Yeah, minus the fact that it's blue.
No, wait, it's gonna do the same thing.
No, it's not. I'm good. Wait, you're right.
Why does it have to fail?
The empty cup.
Birds. Move. I need money to buy a pack of gum.
This is the best thing in the whole world. Honey mustard milk.
Those are really good.
Yeah.
What is that?
I'll give it to him.
Whoa.
I'll be there in a minute.
You're such a sketch bag.
Have you seen these Skittles?
What? Not even something in your hair.
It's my egg.
My egg. I'm nesting my birds. Don't touch my birds.
Do that thing. Do that thing and like walk up to the counter and just be like, look down. Just do that one thing. Do that one thing. Just do that one. Just do it. Just look at me. Just stare at him. Ads. The Birds. Chapter 1, end.